tell them what we're putting here?
Wait, what?
Tell the camera what we're putting here. What are we gonna put right here?
Chickens.
The chickens. So we're gonna clear some of this out, make a temporary chicken coop, and I guess use the fence from the other place, right? And make them run part in the shade, part in the sun. But gonna start clearing some of this stuff out. Just the little trees. Alright. Was that your favorite rock? It's a big one, ain't it? Looks good. There's a whole lot more brush than what I thought it'd produce.
Same as mine was there before.
Yeah, it just looks different. It's a big old pine tree.
All them pine trees are coming down. I got looking though, we can't cut a couple of them to move RV.
Yeah.
I think there's like 8 right here.
That one we definitely can't to the house.
Okay, so they're working on that up there. I come to move Josh's truck, but I'm going to show you what he brought me today, which makes me super happy. A big old pile of horse poop. So we've been looking for some that's, you know, it's not from like a place where they treat their horses and, you know, stuff like that. So clean horse poop. It's still fresh, so it's got a while. It needs to be composted before we can use it. We don't plan to use it until probably until the spring garden, so we'll put it on and then just let it sit in the we'll put it on like early spring. Let it sit in there until we're ready to plant. So it won't burn the plants or anything. So he's also got some older piles, the man that he went and helped this morning, and so we're gonna have some of that too. He said we'll just get it whenever we can, but I'm super happy. Cut our first tree.
There we've been.
Watch out, Corey. Look, Mama. Look, Mama.
Woohoo! Look at Mama. Are you doing it? Look, see, barter ox, Wyandottes. Not friends. So we got most of the run laid out. Putting some of the last post in. But we're gonna have to stop and come back because we have a dinner at the fire department. So we're gonna go to that and hopefully we can come back and get it done before dinner time, but come along pretty quick.
Where the end fixing to be. Alright. You want to cut and do like we did on that section?
We're putting the chickens in here, not all.
Maybe.
And then wrap it, you know.
Oh no, we might wait till tomorrow. Alright, next morning, this is what got done yesterday, last night in the dark. So we got a gate up and new wire put on it because it was like this old chain link. Then we're going to put chicken wire around this for now since it's still warm. That way they have some air and we can close that up in the winter time. So this will be their coop. And we're going to fix it up in there. We're going to cut a door. Cora, what you got? Cheese. Where's your chicken? You got a chicken? Are you going to put the big chickens in here?
Yeah, I'm going to help catch them. And then I'm going to come in here and put them in. Which are we putting them in? In there?
We'll put a door.
Right here. Put a door right here.
Yeah, we'll put a door right there.
First, we're going to take them and put them in there. And after we're done putting them all in here, we'll open it up. And all this will be in here. And we'll put the chickens.
Yep. Alright, coop we've got done. Temporary nesting boxes and their roost, their door that shuts. Got the chicken wire up for now.
It's your walking thing.
Yeah, I got. And then we got their feed moved in here. Their little, what do you call it? Walkway? Steps. You ready to get the chickens?
Go get that bag of laying feed, nice.
Cora?
And the dog food.
You hear the choo-choo train? Oh, you hear it? You hear it in that ear too? Huh? Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Is your ring pop good?
Okay, so when are we putting the chickens in?
When you catch them. See?
Mom, can you open this?
No. That one's not yours. Did you laugh at your brother? Love on her? Pet her?
Good girl. I want a bear. I want to look at all of them.
Is she sweet? They're coming. There they come. So there's Henny.
Huh?
Here comes Penny.
And then
Henny and Penny.
and mine. Penny and Guinea. Oh,
And Coco. And Coco, one of them.
Oh, and mine. Coco. I mean celery.
Yeah, Coco.
Celery.
Celery. Uh-oh.
One. That's Lily. No, Lily.
Halfway.
They're not bothering her too awful bad.
What you doing? What you doing?
I'll say that. I say that and then she runs her off.
Yeah, baby doll.
Who's glad the chicken coop's done?
Yes! Me. Now you don't have to work on the chicken coop and get cut.
Alright, there's their run, their coop. They seem pretty happy. We're happy. Big difference back here from the first day that we were up here working and built that. So, huge difference. I don't know, they're attracted to something. Are you glad it's done, Josh? Alright, what's next?
Football.
no, what's next here?
Start clearing for the house now, I guess.
Yes. Alright. Looks different, don't it, up here? Look back at our first video and you can see all the way there. I need to show them like from down there.
And the dog walks.
Yeah. It's a big difference.